Welcome to the Think Big Minute Employees Pick, highlighting interesting jobs picked by the Think Big team. Hi, my name is AJ, and I'd like to tell you about how Belzona provided peace of mind to an offshore oil rig. A customer with newly replaced neoprene coatings on their pipes was concerned that the water would penetrate between the riser and the cladding. Water intrusion will come in contact with the glass flake coating, causing disbondment, so the customer reached out for a solution to prevent their concern. Belzona 2121, a two-part polyurethane resin designed for the coating of metal and rubber components, was used as a protective coating over the areas where the seams were exposed. 12 years later, the Belzona repair still stands up to the North Sea environment and remains in perfect condition, providing peace of mind to the offshore facility. Thanks for joining us for today's Big Minute. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments section or email us at the link below. Until next time, think big.